Fluorimetry. The absorption of UV and visible radiation can be identified by using the fluorimetry. Transmission of electrons from single ground state to the single excited state can be observed in this fluorimetry. In this fluorimetry, we can study about the measurement of emitted radiation from single ground state to the double state and triplet state, different types of states, ground state, single state, double state, triplet state. These can be studied in the fluorimetry. The collisional deactivation. Here the collisional deactivation energy lost will be occur and radiation will be not emitted, and the fluorescence, which is the large part of the fluorimetry, and fluorescence a part of energy lost. Here a fluorescence we can see the loss of energy, and due to the vibrational transmissions the energy will be losses in fluorimetry, and energy is emitted as ultraviolet visible radiation for the longer wavelength, and energy will be emitted radiation is greater than to the incident observed light. The fluorescence and phosphorescence will be occurred in fluorimetry. Here comes to the phosphorescence. At low temperature and absence of oxygen, we can observe the phosphorescence. Molecules are single excited state which are called as intercrossing system. The factors which is mainly affect the fluorimetry is conjugation of elements, name of substituent group, rigid structure, and temperature effect, viscosity, pH. These are the main factors which affect the fluorimetry. Here comes to the diagram. The ground state and excited state will be there, and the instrumentation is source of light will be emitted on a states, and a mercury vapor lamp is placed. It is having high pressure by the high pressure like 8 Armstrong units, and continuous background will be occur with the 380 nanometers, which is nothing but the ultraviolet radiation, and low pressure will be used. Low pressure mercury vapor lamp is used in this technique, and it is used as a source in filter type of fluorimeter. The xenon lamp. Here so many types of lamps are used in the fluorimeter, like mercury vapor lamp, xenon lamp, tungsten lamp, and here comes to the monochromators. The fluorimetry having two things importantly, which is more important, that is emission and wavelength of excitation wavelength. Here these two, emission and excitation wavelength, are more important in fluorimetry. The instrument is which is very expensive when compared to the other instruments, and it has more intense radiation when compared to the UV radiation, and it is used as a source of light in spectrophlorometer. So that's why it is highly expensive when we compare to the other. And excitation monochromator provide the suitable radiation. When we compare to the emission monochromator, excitation monochromator will provide the suitable radiation. And here the sample cell is cylindrical and made up of colored glasses, and which is having the 10 micromilli to 1 centimeter, and quartz glass is not needed. And detectors here, when we came to the detectors, here the visible radiation and violet cell, photo tubes, photo multiplier tubes, photo detector will be mainly used in the fluorimetry. The single beam filter fluorimeter is expensive instrument.